Okay, good morning. So I'm in San Francisco, California, and today I'll be hiking around Golden Gate Park. I'm not going to do a set path, I'm just going to wander around. It's a park that I love. It is like endless joy. It's such a large park. I think it spans like 5 or 7 miles, and it goes from inside San Francisco and then goes east to west out to Ocean Beach. And there's so many hidden paths and areas to explore. So if you haven't been to San Francisco, I'd highly recommend it. I'm gonna walk around, it's gonna be beautiful, and I'll share with you a couple of the areas I like to go. But it's such a big park, I can't do it all today because I have to catch a flight in a couple hours. So I'm just gonna wander around the east side of Golden Gate Park. And that over there is Buena Vista Park. Classic. All right, so a bit further in, still in the beginning of Golden Gate. It's such a big park, but there's a playground over there. A lot of kids playing. I'm in a beautiful meadow to the Conservatory of Flowers, which is over there. And I believe there's I think it's the DeYoung Museum. But that whole area is gorgeous. There's so much to see. I mean, it's such a big park, and you'll love it. It has a magical feel to it.
Sport is just construction, right? Like, comes down to it, this heart is actually like so pure and good. Yeah, like really kind. Yeah. And I was struggling.
That is a huge tree. Let's cut through inside here and then we're going back to the car.
All right, so I just got to SFO airport. I'm flying out of San Francisco after a week of being at a convention. And earlier today I was hiking Golden Gate Park, and I was actually rushing to my flight, which I missed and got rebooked for a later flight, so I'm a bit out of breath. But I would rate that park a 5 out of 5. I think it's timeless. I love it. Every time I go to San Francisco, I want to go to Golden Gate Park. And it's the kind of place that is mystical and large enough that you can spend really a lifetime getting lost in it. So those are my thoughts. And yeah, I'm gonna go kind of take a nap and then catch my later flight and fly back north to the Pacific Northwest. But that is the review. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed some of the content, and have a wonderful day or night.